Mum, Dad, I'm so sorry about this. Hey, in today's episode we're talking about massage oil and sex. Now this is a conversation that we need to have because some of you have been using my oil and my massage techniques to get a little busy in the bedroom, which, to be honest, I kind of love. I mean, the two of you are in a relationship and you can make massage whatever you want it to be. But there's a few things that I want to talk about that you need to know when using massage oil on your private bits. Whoa. I think my oil bottle just leaked almonds. Let's call this episode The Good, the Bad, and the Sexy, because the chances are that if you're getting your hands on each other and sharing back rubs, you're going to end up having sex. I'm getting a lot of questions coming from couples saying, what can I do and what shouldn't I do with your massage oil? Like, what happens if it goes in my mouth? And can I use it on my bits when I'm giving him a hand job or giving her a hand job? Wow, I can't believe I'm talking about this on YouTube. It's just, anyways, the questions are being asked and we need to answer them. All right, so let's talk about massage oil. And sex. Like, you can. It's a natural product. Like, my oil is all 100% almonds. There's no other ingredient in it. So it works perfectly on your body. Now, would I use it as a lube? I typically wouldn't. It's not that you shouldn't use it as a lube, but I don't know why you would. I would much prefer synthetic lubes. During intercourse, most people just add way too much massage oil and it's slippery for days and you lose your sensation. But if your massage is on point, you probably won't even need any lube because it'll be pretty hot. Like, the foreplay will be outstanding. If you don't want babies, really important, oils are going to degrade condoms. So if you don't want to have melt-inspired babies out there, don't use oils with condoms. Latex and natural oils don't work. So can massage oil go in your mouth? Wouldn't be squirting massage oil in your mouth. I kind of want my oil bottle. Where is it? Let me. Right, let's see if this guy leaks almonds. No, this is good. I don't know why it would leak almonds. I mean, maybe this guy. Nope. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to even though it is 100% almonds, lots of almonds everywhere. Don't put it on a salad. Don't squirt it in your mouth. It's not what it was intended for. But I think mostly couples are like, what happens if I've got it on my partner's body and I lick it? You're gonna be just fine. Actually, we bottle this in Florida in an FDA approved facility as well, but I still wouldn't be using this on salads. So you're gonna be fine if you lick your partner down and they've got massage oil on them. The amount of massage oil that you will be using is going to be minuscule. I mean, too much oil makes your massage slippery, which feels like rubbish anyways. So it's going to be a small amount. If you get massage oil on your junk and you want to use condoms, wipe it down with a wet wipe and you'll be good to go. Something about an angry vagina. So what happens if massage oil goes on your bits, on your junk? Well, my stuff, pure almond oil, is going to be quite fine. There are schools of thought that say that it'll clog up vaginal walls, and the body is amazing at being able to clean itself, especially, say, the vagina has got amazing cleansing properties. And it's not like you're going to be squirting a whole bunch in there. I think most couples are asking a question of, it's on my hands and I end up going down there and start fooling around, is that okay? And yes, it's fine. You're going to be fine. There are some oils that probably something you need to think about. Like the pure essential oils, those guys are super potent, so keep those away from your private bits. Coconut oil has become all the rage lately. It is an amazing product. Everyone seems to be using it right now. I'm still old school using almond oil. I love this consistency. Here's the thing about coconut oil and getting it inside you. It has got antibacterial properties. So it's got this thing called lauric acid, which is converted by the body into what's called monolaurin, and that has antibacterial properties, which is amazing. But inside your vagina, it'll upset the natural flora. I wanted to say fauna, but that's completely, there's no fauna in the vagina. It's all flora. Oh, look at me just ramble on because I'm uncomfortable. All right, flora. There's natural bacteria on all our bodies, right? There's good bacteria, bad bacteria. And in a healthy state, we're in this nice, level, even state of homeostasis, and we're all happy. We need all this natural flora on us. And when you start using antibacterial properties, especially around the vagina, you'll upset the natural flora there. And when you wipe away flora or bacteria, you give an open slate for other bacteria to come back. Now, it all depends on your lifestyle and what you're doing on whether or not good bacteria or bad bacteria returns. Like the body will naturally work its way back to homeostasis, and typically nothing will ever happen. But again, depends on your lifestyle. And you don't want to really upset a vagina because no one likes an angry vagina. I'm going to stop using that word. I like vaginas though. I think they're great. Okay, we can finish this without losing the plot, I promise you. If you're allergic to nuts, don't use a nut-based oil, obviously. Like most people are going to know. I mean, I shouldn't even have to say that, right? I'm allergic to some nuts. Some nuts I don't want any mean. Most nuts. This is such bad product. Alternatives to nut-based oil is apricot oil, grapeseed oil. They work really well. Whew, that was a bit fun. That was a bit silly. I like being silly. I like laughing. It's good. It's good. All right, just in summary, right? Massage each other. It's good for you. You're going to have great sex. Foreplay is going to be off the hook. You probably won't even need any lube, especially when you first start massaging each other and enjoying it. It's great. You're going to have a really fun time. Stay away from nut-based oils if you're allergic. If you get oil on your junk, you're going to be fine, especially base oils. Base oils like mine, where there's nothing else other than almonds in it. If there's essential oils, keep that stuff away from your junk. It doesn't need to go there. If it goes in your mouth because you're licking your partner down after massaging them, you're going to be fine. Continue, have fun. Don't mix this stuff with condoms unless you want melt-inspired babies. If you do have melt-inspired babies, let me know. That's really cool. I love it. I think it's fantastic. Oh, don't use massage lubes as massage oil. Like, I've seen them. The companies like Durex, let's not even name them, but condom companies make these warming lubes out there and they call them massage oils. I've tried them. They're claggy, they're dry. You keep going back to the bottle. It just does not feel as good, anywhere near as good as a natural oil. Like, this gives you great consistency, feels amazing. Remember what I said about coconut oil as well, and antibacterial properties, fantastic for that, but keep them away from your junk. And get your hands on each other, you know? Like, if you end up having sex out of this, good on you. I'm wrapped. High five. like the video, subscribe to the channel. I have an idea. I've got oil all over my hands. This isn't working. If you want to learn how to get your hands on each other, link is in the description below. Go check out the masterclass. Oils are there as well. I'll see you in the next episode.